Hi there, Mr. Anderson, your trusted real estate expert. Are you ready to make an offer on your dream home, but feeling a little unsure about where to start? Don't worry, I got you covered. Here is a quick guide on how to make a winning offer that stands out. Step number one, know your budget. Before anything, it is crucial to have your budget in place. Make sure you are pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers you are serious and ready to close the deal. No surprises, just confidence. Number two, understand the market. It is a buyer's market or a seller's market. This will determine how aggressive your offer needs to be. If homes are selling fast, be prepared to come in strong. Step number three, sweeten the deal. Consider adding incentives like flexible closing dates or limiting the contingencies to make your offer more attractive. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Step number four, work with a pro. That's me. The most important tip, don't do it alone. Partnering with a seasoned real estate agent gives you an insider knowledge and negotiation skills that could make or break the deal. Thinking about buying or know someone who is? Reach out to me today, whether it's your first home or your forever home. I am here to guide you every step of the way. Let's make your next move a winning one. Contact me today. Let's make that offer. Bye for now.